It's time to rock on Rollercoin with the Let's Rock progression event. Let's check it out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so another progression event by Rollercoin with Let's Rock, and let's check it out. Here's the game section of Rollercoin, and at the top you can see the Let's Rock banner. You can see I'm on my way to that 500 terahash for 7 days. If we check out more details, we can see that at the time of recording this video, there are 2 days, 7 hours remaining. So this was a progression event of 3 days. By the time the video is up, there'll be a little less time remaining, but you practically have another 2 days to go. The most powerful miner in this progression event is the base M mine at 6.5 petahash per second. If we go to the quests, you can see that when you get to a higher difficulty level in the game, you'll get 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, you'll get 1000 points. And when you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's 100 points, and all the points, as usual, are without the multiplier. So if you do have a multiplier applied, then you must multiply those points accordingly. So, as I always like to do, let's check out all the list of rewards thanks to Piero's list. So here it is. This is a 25 level progression event. Starting with level 1, you get 15 RST, you get some more RST at level 7 with another 50 RST, and you get 400 and 200 RST here, 200 RST at level 13 and 400 RST at level 18, bringing the total to 665 RST. At level 2, you can see that you get the bonus power that I'm currently working on, 500 terahash for 7 days, more temporary bonus power with 1 petahash for 7 days at level 5, 2 petahash for 7 days at level 8, and 5 petahash for 7 days at level 17. So this brings the total to 8.5 petahash in temporary bonus power for an entire week. We have some bit ace miners at levels 3 and 4 and another one at level 6 as well. We've also got the pink glazer at level 9. This has 180 terahash but no percentage in bonus power. Nitro Nomad at level 10 with 220 terahash and 0.25% bonus attached to it. We've also got the Fury Rack 8 at level 11. This will give you a 3% bonus for each and every miner that you place on the rack. Neon Gorilla at level 12, which will give you 378 terahash and 0.15% bonus power as well. You get Fire Forger at level 14 with 149 terahash with 0.5% bonus power. Synaptic Pulse at level 15 with 266 terahash and 2% bonus. Nitro Mine at 541 terahash with 1.66% bonus power attached to it as well. McCartney's Crypto Rift at 403 terahash with 0.15% bonus power. Jingle Groovegram 717 terahash with 0.75% bonus power. Another rack, this time is the Biohazard Rack 8 at level 21, and that will give you an increase in power for each and every miner that you place on the rack of 5%. Neon City at level 22 with 336 terahash and 0.5% bonus power. Furry Rocker 690 terahash with 1.5% bonus power. Syntho Keys at level 24 with 1.7 petahash and 0.5% in bonus power. And last but not least, Base and Mine with 6.5 petahash and 3.5% bonus power attached to that mine and base. Now the multiplier for this progression event will last 2 hours, and when you exchange from your crypto to RLT at least 10 RLT, you'll be getting a ×1 multiplier. So for 1 RLT that you exchange from your crypto, you will get 0.1 times multiplier. Okay. There is also currently going on a 35% discount, which is on Matic. Okay, so Polygon Matic at 35% there. So do avail yourself from these discounts so that you can get more RLT, more of a multiplier for spending less of your crypto. So that is pretty much it for the 25 level progression event. I wish you the best of luck in rocking the Let's Rock progression event. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.